is the exhaust on MacBook Pro. It is January the 8th at 9:30 p.m. Phone is not focusing, but the temperature there says 142 up there, and the exhaust is at 7195, 7204, 7203, and the maximum is 7200. There we go, 7200 is max, and it is at 7196, and right there 142 degrees. Alright, so what's happening with the MacBook Pro is, this is Mojave. I just downloaded Mojave, and now I need to restart. Okay, so I'm going to click to restart. Actually, before I do that, I am going to pause. Alright, so this is what the MacBook Pro looks like. It won't come on. It only turned back when I started recording. Anyways, so this is the recording. I am going to minimize. I'm going to actually save it. Title it Mojave, MOJ, and save. Hello toads, hello toads. 134 degrees. And what had happened, and anyways, I shall redo that. And I'm gonna go to restart. What just happened? Restart. Oh, closing application and restarting. Alright. I'm gonna pause. Oh no. Here's the apple. And I can hear the fan still going. There we go, red flash. Okay. And I'm going to stop the recording now. Stop. Oh, wait. No stopping, no stopping. The MacBook Pro went black. Oops. It went black. And suddenly the fan shut down. $140 degrees on the phone. There we go. $140 on the phone. And it went blank again on the MacBook Pro. That's a flash coming on the phone by itself. It comes on at the most inappropriate moment. If I touch the screen, it comes on. Oh, I'm touching the screen, it's not coming on now. Yeah, has a mind of its own. Oh, and there it comes on again. That's the phone. That is not the MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro is still black. And MacBook Pro is still black. Alright, nothing. Go deeper, come on out. Nope. Oh, and that's my flash going again. Of course, it goes on the most inopportune moment. That's my flash. Still, MacBook Pro is black. and it is January the 8th at 9:40 p.m. 7% battery power. It's using quite a lot of battery power on the phone. It's 145 degrees. And this is not the first time okay, and it will stay black. Percent power. There's the Mac, continues to be black. One is very hot. There's the flashlight. I just touched the screen. There's the flashlight on the phone. Mark is still black. There's no flashlight here, but it keeps going on. Oh well, that's the life of being hacked with some idiot in the background. MacBook Pro is still black, and I'll continue until the phone loses power. It'll shut down at 1%. Didn't used to, but that's fairly new. Of course, things change every day, every hour. So it'll go until 5% power. 5% power? No, it'll go until, 1% power is left. So it is January the 8th, Tuesday at 9:44 p.m. 4% power, it'll go until 1% power, then it'll stop recording, and the MacBook Pro continues to be black. Alright, it doesn't look like Mac is gonna turn on. How much power do I have? 3% left. Let's see what we can do with 3% power. Close it. Open it up. And I'm in black again. There's the apple again. Phew, so many times. Alright, another phone is going to shut down. I don't know how many times Apple will be loading, but the progress bar will continue. Or it'll go black. Let me pause. Actually, I only have... Oh, there we go. There was a red flash. Only have 2% power. Another red flash. So 2 red flashes. 3. Oh, lost track. "35 minutes remaining, so I'm going to say red there. With the red flash there. So I understand why the flashlight keeps coming on is just to detract from the red